in my computer keyboard, this is the number lock key, so I press and turn on the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here, so you must type here 10697. So after typing 10697, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that now we have created this symbol, that is two joined square, using this keyboard shortcut. So we try this after opening Microsoft Word in our Windows computer. So if you want to change the color, then you can select this, and from here you can change the color. We have changed the color to red now. Or suppose if you want to change the color to blue, then you can simply do from here. For more you can subscribe.